Hello friends, hope you all will be fine. Today I will teach you that how can we convert our books or notes into PDF form if these are in booklet form. So, for this we must download CAMSCANNER. Link is in description. Now I open it. See, it has opened. Here you can see that my all created documents are present in an order. As I have to create new document, so I will take pictures of my notes. So, see here. Now click on camera sign and take the pictures. You can also crop the picture. So, after capturing, click on next and then tick option, it will save. Now I take 2 more pictures by same process. See. Now click simply on PDF option in the top and then share option. Here we will open it by Drive PDF Viewer and then download it. Hope you understand. If you did not understand, then watch the video repeatedly. Thank you.